What's going on, everyone? This is Ben with High Def Detailing. It is a cold day in January, and I'm just about to switch out my summer tires and wheels for my winter set. So I wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how to clean your wheels and tires using a couple of the G-Technic products I've got right here. And stay tuned. All right, so here's the before condition of my wheels. As you can see, quite dirty. Now these are coated in G-Technic C5, so they should be pretty easy to clean up. So what we're going to be using today is the W6 Iron and General Fallout Remover, some W5 all-purpose cleaner on the tires and the wheel wells, and a little bit of G-Wash to throw in my bucket here just to foam this up. So I've got my various brushes here for getting the barrels, fender wells, tire, etc. So let's get to it. We're going to start off with a pre-rinse.
All right, so as I mentioned before, these rims are coated in G-Technic C5. So most of the time, all you're gonna need to do is hit it with a pressure washer like I'm doing now, and that will get the majority of the brake dust and the dirt and the grime off the wheel. And as you can see, the coating's performing great, still beading up, and the majority of the dirt and grime is gone. But I do wanna go ahead and give these wheels a nice deep clean. So I'm taking the W6 here and applying it to the face of the rim, getting in the barrels as well. And you can see it starting to turn purple on the brake rotor there. And so I'm gonna let that chemical sit. And while that's sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my wheel bucket with a little bit of G-Wash here. And this is just to add some more lubrication when I'm using these various brushes, and also to foam the bucket up, which I'm doing right now. That's gonna help prevent some of the water and the product slinging back when I'm using this brush right now. So I'm going after the barrels right now using the Easy Detail brush. And you can see the foam building up there on the wheel. And that's once again helping keep the product on the surface there and not sling back at me. And it was really cold out today, so I've got hot water in the bucket. So it's always nice to dunk your hands in that hot water on a cold day. And right now I'm going after the back of the spokes here with a wheel woolly. And I have various brushes in the bucket, so I'm just using a detail brush right now to get some of the hard to reach areas and some of those crevices between the spokes there. Just light agitation is all that's needed. And then taking a soft bristle brush here to kind of go over the whole face of the wheel, just make sure I didn't miss any spots. And then onto a thorough rinse. Now moving on to the tires here and also the wheel wells using the W5. And usually I'll do this before I hit the wheels. I'm not really sure why in this video I did it afterwards. But these tires just needed a light cleaning, so just mist it on there. Go ahead and start scrubbing with a stiff bristle brush. Also working on the fender wells right now, so I've got kind of a medium bristle brush here, but nice long handle, makes it easier to reach in there. And again, follow it up with another rinse. And here are the results. As you can see, the coating is performing beautifully, and the rims are very clean, free of brake dust, just need to be dried, and they're ready to be stored.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button. And I have 3 more wheels to take care of and some lovely winter steelies to put on. All right, thanks for checking it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.